This is a tutorial for a toddler. Helping a toddler wash his or her hands can be very difficult, as you can see in this video. He kept on rinsing the soap off his hands without rubbing it together, but we eventually got it together. I would suggest everybody out there use liquid soap. Bar soap,
add a little bit of soap.
It will not be your friend in this ordeal. Okay? So I'm trying to see how can I get him to rub his hands together and make it fun. So I decided to do it myself.
Rub your hands together.
Wash my hands to get him into motion and lather it up. And he's doing it. Okay, we're halfway there. Now, how can I get him to continue to scrub his hands for a long period of time? ABCs. That's what I'm doing. And he's liking it so far. So, this is what we're going to do from now on out. You guys, it can be very challenging, especially toddlers, because they're into everything. But if you just,
don't rub your eyes,
stick at it and be consistent in everything that you do, you can make it work.
Okay. Whoa. Here.
Now it's time to dry those little hands off. And he loves touching the faucet, turn it back on. But do what works for y'all. Every situation is extremely different. But whatever you find that works for y'all, do it every single day, consistently, and encourage him or her that you can do it no matter what. Y'all enjoy. God bless.